To send money from New Zealand to the UK, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that suits your needs. There are several options available, including banks, online money transfer services, and specialist foreign exchange companies. Compare the exchange rates, fees, and transfer times of different services to find the best one for your needs. Once you have selected a service, you will need to create an account. This typically involves providing some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and bank account details. You may also need to verify your identity to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account details. Make sure to double-check these details to ensure that the money is sent to the correct person. You will also need to specify the amount you want to send and the currency you want to send it in. After entering the recipient's details, you will be given a quote for the transfer, including the exchange rate and any fees. Review this quote carefully to ensure that you are happy with the terms. If you are, you can confirm the transfer and the money will be sent to the recipient's bank account. It is also important to consider the security of your money transfer. Look for services that are regulated by a reputable financial authority and have a good track record of security. You should also keep track of the transfer reference number, so you can monitor the progress of your transfer. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to send money during New Zealand business hours, as this can help to speed up the transfer process. You should also avoid sending money on public holidays, as this can cause delays. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits that may apply to your account, and plan accordingly. By following these steps and considering these best practices, you can send money from New Zealand to the UK quickly and securely. Remember to compare different services. Create an account, enter the recipient's details, review the quote, and consider the security of your transfer. With the right service and a little planning, you can make international money transfers with ease.